Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Java memory leaks with Oracle. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To fix Java memory leaks with Oracle, start by understanding what a memory leak is. A memory leak occurs when your application holds onto memory that is no longer needed. Begin by identifying symptoms of memory leaks in your Java application. Monitor the memory usage over time to spot unusual increases in heap size. Utilize tools like Java Visual VM or Eclipse Memory Analyzer to analyze memory usage. Launch Java Visual VM and connect it to your running application. Open the Monitor tab to observe real-time memory consumption. Use the heap dump feature to capture a snapshot of memory allocation. Analyze the heap dump to identify objects that occupy significant memory. Focus on objects with a high retained size that should have been garbage collected. Check for references to these objects that prevent them from being cleared. Look for common sources of memory leaks, such as static collections or listeners not being removed. Review your code for any unintentional strong references to objects. Implement weak references for cache implementations where appropriate. If using application frameworks, ensure that you properly manage object lifecycle events. Remove listeners when they are no longer needed to prevent memory retention. Employ profiling tools to simulate load on your application and analyze results. Isolate different components of your application to identify problematic areas. Consider running your application with specific JVM options to enable garbage collection logging. Review the garbage collection logs to pinpoint the frequency and duration of collections. Adjust the JVM settings to optimize memory usage based on your findings. After making changes, rerun your application and monitor memory usage again. Confirm that memory consumption stabilizes and no new leaks arise. Document your findings and fixes for future reference. Educate your team on best practices to avoid introducing memory leaks in the future. Regularly review and test your application to maintain optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.